What's up, guys? I created a tardigrade habitat here where I care for them and keep them warm and safe all winter long. Everything you're going to see takes place in this petri dish. We're looking at it through our AM scope. What's up, guys? It's MrAlanC. And every small chunk of moss in this petri dish is like an enormous private island made for tardigrades. How many tardigrades can you spot in this video? I'd love to know. You'll also observe a tardigrade doing a spin move like Sonic the Hedgehog, burrowing into the soil. Has anyone ever observed this before? Watch as a larger creature crosses the screen. The tardigrade seems to know of its presence, and this is where it begins to spin, burrowing into the soil. What is happening? Another little organism pokes its little head up out of the soil. A lot of these tardigrades remind me of the little green caterpillar from A Bug's Life. You know the one. What do these tardigrades remind you guys of? I'm not sure what these are, but they're terrifying. We found another one of our little tardigrade friends. Now they're also known as moss piglets because they love to eat moss. And they're in luck. I put lots of moss in their petri dish. Take a look at this extremely skilled climber. So impressive. believe this tardigrade brings with it a egg sac.